Hello traders, I welcome you to Happy Traders Zone. Today in this video we are going to see about our weekly series. So in our channel we have been proceeding with the weekly series, and as we doing already. So for this week we have been chosen the reality sector. So today we will be analyzing the construction related stocks, infrastructure and cement related stocks. And before get into this video, so please do follow us on our Telegram as well as in our YouTube channel. So in our Telegram channel, we will be providing the live market updates. So it's a free of cost, guys. So get joined into our Telegram channel, and the name of the channel was Happy Traders Zone. Yeah, and also I will be sharing my personal entries. So wherever and whatever the stocks I'm getting entered, those things I will be sharing, and it's a kind of signal, guys. Yeah, okay. So now let us get into this video. And one more point, it's a disclaimer. We are not a sub-registered analyst. We are just sharing our interpretations for the educational purpose. So before making any trading decisions, so make your own analysis, guys. Yeah. So ACC Limited, in our previous video, we have been mentioned the ACC Limited has been forming the head and shoulder pattern, and once after the breakdown of this neckline, higher the chances it will go till this level, which is around 1941, but the game has been changed now. So there is a head and shoulder pattern, and the pattern becomes invalid now. And if you ask me, can we take a trade based on this movement? So the answer is currently no, but for the future days we can take a trade here, guys. Let me make a pattern here. Okay, so it's a kind of a falling wedge pattern, and there is a breakout of this pattern, and the stock has started to move on. So but the thing is, the stock has been already started to make a rally, and if by the chance if the stock is providing any retest nearby this level, so you can execute the trade, guys. So around 2380, around if any 50 rupees there is a retracement, you can make a long entry, guys. So this would be a very good so entry point for this stock, this stock. And regarding the target, you can have the target of around this level, uh, to 480. Here we have some 100 rupees swing, we can make a use of it. But in case if the stock is already achieved our target of around if the stock is getting the reversal from 2506, so then this trade will be invalid. So it need to be have a continuous retester now. Further, if there is any movement, you can make a long entry over here, and you can book the target at this level. So this is what the setup which I am explaining you now. So if this setup is happening after that getting achieved our target, means the setup becomes invalid, guys. Yeah, okay. So now let us move on to the stocks which has the potential breakout for the upcoming days. So here we have the Ambuja Cement. So in Ambuja Cement, so there is falling wedge pattern, the same kind of pattern which we have been seen in ACC. So the guys one who regretting that we have been missed the trade on ACC. So don't worry, we have a Ambuja now. So in Ambuja, if you see here, so there is a falling wedge pattern, and the wedge pattern has been breakout here, and minor retest has been done, and there is a trend onset, guys. So we having a trend onset on this Ambuja Cement. So if you see here, there is a breakout, and it's a Mugut trading. So don't have the major swing move. And if you see here, so can one who can make a long entry above this price, above this candle day's high, and the stop loss would be the below this candle low, guys. It will be around so some 3%, some 2 to 2.5% of risk reward ratio trade. And if you want me to explain much clear, yeah, it's around 3% stop loss is coming, and our target would be around this per times. Here it's a 440, and our risk reward ratio will be more than 2. three times. Yeah. So make use of this analysis, guys. And now let us move on to the next stock. And I would like to say about some fundamental things about the Ambuja. If you see about Ambuja, Ambuja is one of the very good stock in the cement sector. So they don't have a, it's a zero debt company, and also they are providing a very good dividend. And for the 100 rupees, we can consider the dividend is very good. So we can expect the dividend of around 15 to 16 rupees per annum, and the stock is trading at around 4 400, guys. So around some 5 to 6%, I think. So I'm sorry, I'm not very good in max. So 5 to 6% of dividend we can expect per annum. So it's a fundamentally good stock, guys. Yeah. Okay. Now let us move on to the LNT. If you see LNT, LNT is traveling in a daily time. It is traveling in the channel pattern, and the channel has been a breakout. If you see here we have the one, two, three, four, five rejections, guys. The five rejections, and here we have a very good bullish candle with a huge volume. So I hope it's not the dump candle. So still we have minor transaction as going on. And if you ask me, I would like to make a long entry at a current market price, or at any price. If even there is a gap up, I will be making a long entry around this price. 1920 would my entry point. But if you are a conservative trader and you want to have a good price, you want to make an entry at a good price, means so this zone would be a very good zone to make a long entry. So if there is any minor consolidation, you can make a long entry at around 1885 levels, and your stop loss would be this candle low. And if you ask me personally, I would like to go with without stop loss for this stock. Why? Because it's a fundamentally very good stock, and in past days they have been received a very good orders. So they have been just received the orders. It doesn't make uh, any change in the company's valuation. But in the upcoming days, in the quarter on quarter result, they will be going to post the very good profit after achieving those construction works. So that's how the company is getting fundamentally more stronger. So here we have a 2000, and I expect these LNT to go till 5000 rupees, guys, in the next 2 3 years. So, and if you ask me regarding the swing trade target, I would like to make a long entry around this price with my stop loss of around this level, and my target would be around, first target would be triple double 238, and my second target will be 2814. If you ask me, does we having the huge target, does it possible? Yes, guys, it's a possible. So we have taking a risk. So for that risk, we should make a, our reward should be very high to manage the our portfolio in a positive mood. Yeah. Okay. And the members one who follows continuously in our telegram, they know about our entry and exit points. So we will be having a minimum of 1.1, sorry, we will be having a minimum of 1 is to 1.5. So which means our risk is 10 rupees, means our minimum reward should be 15 rupees, guys. So that's what our the motto of our happy traders. So make a long entry and wait for this target, guys. So Oberoi reality, if you see Oberoi reality, the same story is like LNT. It's a very good stock. Fundamentally, I don't know, but technically, it's a very good, seems to be good stock, and it is traveling in this broadening wedge pattern. And if you ask me, guys, here we have the 1 2 3 4 5, and here we have a 6 rejections, guys. If there is a breakout above this level, higher the chances. So we cannot make a long entry. So that level, so that much there will be a rally here. And for the conservative traders who want to enter now, so considering this box breakout, you can make a long entry at this level with the stop loss of around this point, guys. So this would be your risk. But if there is a very good breakout, so post the stock post touching this box and giving a very good breakout, so around some 5 to 6% of move you can be captured before the breakout. And if you ask me personally, so considering this 1 2 3 4 rejections, this rejection is very low. So higher the chances, so this stock will get breakout in the Monday or Tuesday. Yeah, okay, now let us move on to the next stock, which is Ramco Cement. If you see on the Ramco Cement, yeah, so there is a breakout of this channel. Sorry, it's a triangle pattern. If you see here, so there is a triangle pattern formation, and the triangle pattern has been breakout here, and it didn't provide the target yet, which means it's about to uh, it's traveling towards the target, guys. So higher the chances it will go in an upside mode till it reach the target. And if you ask me about the target, so minimum the target would be around 1200, guys. So till 1200, guys, wherever we having the buying chance, we can make a long entry. So that's what the theory. And if you see here, I'm just going with the normal support and resistance. So here we have a previous significant as resistance, and after the breakout of resistance, I'm considering this as the support. And if you move on to the weekly time frame, so in the weekly candle, so the resistance has been breakout, so resistance breakout has been done. And in the weekly time frame, it looks like some shooting star pattern, but it's not valuable. So I hope higher the chances in 1 2 3 4 days consolidation. So still we can expect a minor consolidation around this level. If the stock comes to this level, you can make a long entry, guys. And if any 1 day time frame candle has been closed below this zone, that would be your stop loss. And regarding the target, so considering our stop loss was till this level, it's around some 55 rupees or 50 rupees. Our target would be 110, which means so double 1200 would be our so target. Yeah, okay, now let us move on to the next stock. So I think that's it, guys. So for this week, we have been selected only so ACC, Ambuja, L&T, Oberoi Realty, and Ramco Cement under the reality stock. So I would like to make a long entry. So based on your risk reward ratio management and manage your the trade based upon the knowledge which will be sharing in the Telegram. Also get followers on Telegram and subscribe our YouTube channel. So thank you. Happy trading. Have a nice week, guys. Bye.